The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for Shelby County until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 3 miles east of Shelbyville. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Seek shelter in a basement in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Shelby County.